Sounds good. Sounds real good. What you got pumping under that hood there?
A little 5.3 LS.
Whoa, man.
Nothing too big.
No weight on this. This thing must get squirrely, huh?
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
Not too bad.
Good, man. Cool. Way to go. Hot rod it. Roadkill. What do you think, Gino? Like your straight axle gassers? About 850 RPMs at idle, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. '63. Hey Chris, what up?
How you doing?
So yeah, good. So yeah, straight axle over there.
Yep. And you know what? You can almost get one part.
Is that my brother? How you be? Good morning.
So when you put the front cover on.
Ron camera.
Hello, Dano. How are you?
Good. I was by yesterday or the day before to say hey. So, that's what I heard.
I'll be back next week.
Congratulations on the acquisition there.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Cool.
Come and see us next week.
I will. We'll be by.
Yeah. Anything you want. Anything.
Here's Justin. Odd Squad, the car club. How was it on Tuesday? I
Good.
never did make it. I apologize.
All right, it's good. Come on next Tuesday.
You got a deal. Odd Squad Car Club, Long Beach. Love you, Justin. Hey, I know this fella. Yeah, I see you down there. There you have it. Tip Cypress is a Sunliner. Morning. Old school today, huh? What's going on? Looking good. You got to get that ZL1 a rest, huh? What up, Dan? Any doubt? What up? Hey, there's Jeffrey. Jeffrey, he got his little pick him up truck. Triumph, old school. Hey, Dominic.